Hello everyone, welcome to Career Talk. Today I am here to announce that I am starting a new YouTube channel. Yes, I am starting my own vlog channel other than this Career Talk channel. And that is going to be in Hindi as well as English. So for anybody who understands both these languages, you should definitely subscribe to my vlog channel. Now, why I am starting a new channel when this channel is already growing and doing good? The reason being, on this channel, I want to concentrate on career related videos, career counseling, career advice, like what I've been doing for last couple of years. But on the new channel, I want to share more details on my personal life. I want to share personal opinions on topics which are not directly related to career. For example, my views on finance, my views on wealth creation, my views on cryptocurrency, how much money did I make on YouTube, how much money did I make on vlogging, how much money did I make on Quora, how can you do the same if you want to, and a lot of other stuff. So that channel, I want to make it more personal and more informal. So the videos on that channel will have lesser edits. I will try to be myself and speak in Hindi and English. जो यहाँ पे नहीं हो पाता, यहाँ पे I have to strictly be very formal and speak only in English. But वहाँ पर I want to just be myself and tell you things which I generally cannot tell on this platform. And that's why I want to separate the audiences. I want to create two different channels for two different purposes. तो अगर आप हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों समझते हैं और आप ये चैनल फॉलो करते हैं, यहाँ पर आते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली आपको मेरा नया चैनल भी सब्सक्राइब करना चाहिए. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. लॉन्च अगले हफ्ते होगा और अगले 60 डेज में आई एम गोइंग टू पुट 60 ब्यूटिफुल वीडियोज ऑन दैट चैनल. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी रियली फन गाइज. Do subscribe to this channel if you have not done it already, and also subscribe to the new channel and learn and grow with me together. Thank you so much for your time. See you. Bye for now.